welcome back to another CoddiWomple adventure and a awesome Western Cape motorcycle trip. It's currently Sunday afternoon and I'm heading my way to Mpumalanga, Wakkerstroom for the actual motorcycle trip to start on Wednesday afternoon. You guys are in for a awesome 5-day tour down, about 2,000 kilometers and a lot of sights and passes to see. From Wakkerstroom on Wednesday afternoon. Not much excitement for the first stretch of the road, so I won't bore you too much with that. I'll see you guys as soon as we hit the dirt road. Lekker. Cheers. First, let's get the bike and gear ready for the trip. Just had some struggles with this mic. Just did about 260 kilometers, about 100 to go. It's the last hour of driving. Only 8 degrees this morning, so I'm guessing now. Feels like 16. Quite cool, chilly weather. Hey, our first bit of dirt road.
Tomorrow.
And there we go. That's it. There we go, our first day of the West Capen tour. Today we are aiming for about 350 kilometers to Rosetta, just before Nottingham Road. Mostly tar today, as we're only leaving at about 12 in the afternoon. Get there just before sunset. We have an awesome braai, but first, of course, a bit of fuel. Both of us are empty. Yee! Petrol in full trust, and then we're heading to the N3. Twisty road for the day.
I'm still on the Motors Tractionator Adventures. First time actually pushing it in the corners, and so far so good. Oh, I've not introduced our fellow rider. That's my dad in front of me, riding a Honda Africa Twin, the 1000cc on the DCT gearbox. This guy's stealing all of our fun. Oh, it's fun. Definitely not trying to push the tire too much into the corner or accelerating too hard, but just on pure lean, the tires don't feel anyway scary or jiggly. And then we decided to switch bikes for a while. I'm on the Africa Twin. Such a weird initial feeling to climb on the DCT, since you don't have any clutch, but yo, it's so smooth and the power is amazing. Not sure actually how it compares with my GS, but it definitely feels a bit stronger, especially down low. The initial torque or pull away feels amazing. We're almost at the end of our journey, about 50 k's or so, then we're at our destination. See you guys then. Lekker. Heel dag lekker bewolkt. Ja. Here we are. Our first day right next to the river, a few kilometers before the lower Lutini Road and Nottingham Road.
With an excellent starting day behind us, we ensured that the rest of the trip, the days will be more manageable and that we could cater for any unforeseen circumstances. As you'll see in the coming videos, they definitely were. Thanks for watching, and see you guys for day 2 when we are heading on the Lutini Pass.